Here's the answer for day 4, problem 1. Graph this inequality. It will help us to draw the boundary line if this is in slope-intercept form. So let's subtract x from both sides. We get 2y is less than negative x plus 6. Then divide by 2. We get y is less than negative 1/2 x plus 3. This is in slope-intercept form and the y-intercept is 3. So there's a dot here at 3 on the y-axis. The slope is negative 1/2. That's down 1 unit over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Let's decide if we want a solid line or dashed line. There is no equals to bar, so this is a dashed line. Any of the points that are on this line are not solutions to the inequality. We want to shade either above this or below this. This is an is less than arrow, so let's shade over all of the points that have y coordinates less than the y coordinates of that boundary line. Day 4, problem 2. Graph this system. We're going to draw 2 boundary lines and then decide where to shade them. This first one is in slope-intercept form. The y-intercept is at negative 3, located here. The slope is positive 2. So from this dot, rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. Up 2, over 1. Up 2, over 1. This has the equals to bar, so it is a solid line. This is a less than arrow. We're going to shade under the line. For now, let's just remember that we want to shade under that boundary line. Now the second one. This is in slope-intercept form and the y-intercept is 4. So there's a dot up here at 4. Looking in front of x, the slope is negative 1. Down 1, over 1. Down 1, over 1. Down 1, over 1. Looking at this arrow, there is not an equals to bar, so this is a dashed line. Let's decide where to shade. This is a greater than symbol, so we want to shade above this boundary line. Let's think about these two ideas together. We want to be under the solid boundary, but above the dashed boundary. Where is that space? Under the solid, but above the dashed. That's in here. Notice I'm staying above the dashed line, but I'm staying under the solid line.